Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to take you on an in-depth look at the entire process of choosing fabrics, mixing colors, designing patterns, and then producing garment fabrics. Over the years, we have produced a wide variety of fabrics, from cotton to silk, each with unique characteristics as well as different uses. Fabric selection is a very important part of garment design. The texture, touch, and functionality of the fabric determines the final effect of the garment. Fabric is the basis of garment design. Different fabrics have different characteristics and uses. Rongsu Fabrics has more than 20 professional designers who will select the suitable fabrics according to these different characteristics. Next, let's look at the color mixing. Color not only affects the visual effect of clothing, but also conveys a specific emotion and temperament. Designers through the color wheel and palette. The precise matching of the ideal color combinations. The use of the color wheel to select complementary and contrasting colors in order to enhance the visual appeal of the clothing. Patterns and motifs are part of the soul of garment design. Patterns and motifs can add a unique personality and style to garments, and designers will incorporate these elements into the design of garment fabrics as required. Designers use hand-drawn and computerized design software to translate ideas into actual patterns that will give garments their unique personality and style. After doing some of this work, it is time to start the production of garment fabrics. From dyeing to printing, each step requires fine craftsmanship and rigor. Finally, the fabric is then subjected to finishing work, which includes steps such as ironing, shaping, and finishing, which gives the fabric a better hand feel, luster, and wrinkle resistance. In addition, there are subsequent processes such as rinsing, drying, finishing, and packaging to ensure the quality and effectiveness of the fabric. Each step of the process requires fine handling and control, with advanced machinery and equipment and professional craftsmen working together to ensure the high quality of each finished product. Each link of garment fabric production needs fine operation and control. Rongsu Cloth adopts advanced machines and equipment, and professional craftsmen work together to ensure the high quality of the finished fabrics. Choosing Rongsu Cloth fabrics won't let you down. Thank you for your watching. Wish you happy fabric searching.